whoa.
Hey.
Are you gonna get your sister?
We should have brought the flip.
Rolling?
I don't know how to do all this.
These are easy dances from the 90s. These are easy dances. You said you wanted to do it on hard.
It's so hot, I think it's so much warmth.
Yeah.
Look at Dip and Bob.
Now, when you freestyle, then you can do stuff from nowadays, I guess.
Yeah, you
In
see
the
those
blue
little
boxes?
right out there?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, I'm blind.
That's okay.
Freestyle.
Freestyle.
How do you get in there? How do you get in there?
You weren't doing the running man.
It just looked like it.
See, we needed a lot of room on the dance floor in the
Yeah.
90s.
Where is that? Well, you gotta find out where it is.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know what that dance is either. I never did that.
Alright. Adrian,